Look what I did. Ooh. The black pearl. Will Captain Jack Sparrow come visit me at home? I can take any type of company at this point. Any. I don't care. Any. I'll take Jack. It's fine. The octopus guy, no. But Jack, I will take. Okay. So we are going to fill this puppy with ice. Okay. So can you get the ice? Fill it all the way to the top like they do in the restaurants. You know, we have to pretend we're at one right now. Okay, can you see? Yes, you can. Okay, so the first thing that I saw, so I'm using, again, the recipe from this YouTube page I found called Disney Family. And this is the one where the person made it in the bar. This is a cast member who made it. So this is how I'm making it. If it's not the right ingredients, blame that cast member. Okay, so we're gonna do a half of ounce of rum, just a half. Wait, can you see? There you go. Oh. I gotta concentrate when I pour because I will over pour. I'm extra with everything. Of course, there'll be extra alcohol. And then we're gonna do a half of ounce of vodka, it said. There we go. Gotta watch it. Oh, no. Okay, I want it in my glass, not on my table. Then we're gonna do half of ounce of gin. I prefer gunpowder gin, but this is what I still have in my cupboard. Okay, whoop. Gin. It's almost a Long Island. We're just missing the tequila, but that's not what's happening here. The next ingredient is supposed to be sweet and sour. So I can't find how much sweet and sour. It doesn't say. So I'm just gonna assume it's the same amount as Mickey's Fun Wheel, which was 3 ounces because it's gonna be the only juice in this cocktail. So this is my homemade sweet and sour, 3 ounces. Yeah, it looks about right. It's filling that glass up. All right, and then the final ingredient is going to be a floater of raspberry liqueur. I obviously like this a lot. And since I only have a little bit, I'm gonna use my trusty jitter to help me out because I have a heavy hand and I can't run out while making this video. All right, here we go. That's not enough. Sorry. That isn't, for me, that's not enough. Let me just put a little bit more. I filled it up, but I don't need to use the whole thing. And it's not floating. It's mixing. Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay. So I did like an ounce. Oh, and I'm like out. Grocery store. Next. So this is the black pearl. And I am missing my straw, but here it is, the black pearl. No straw because I don't want to get up. So let's see how it tastes. I like it. Because everything mixed together, you taste everything, but well, like everything together. Everything tastes really, really good. It doesn't taste overly sweet. Like in Long Island, you don't really taste, well, now I taste the alcohol, never mind. But that's the thing, I like the taste of alcohol. I know something is missing. Disney's not going to give us something this strong without something else in there. Something is missing. But this is the recipe that I found. And in the recipe, when she did it, it was floating on top, the raspberry liqueur. But she also had the thingy, the spouty thingy that goes in here. And I don't have that yet. It didn't mix, but this mix. She also used a different raspberry liqueur. Maybe that was the thing. But it tastes good. If you're an adult who likes alcohol and likes to not really taste it, but know there's alcohol in your drink, this is a drink for you. So here you go. The Black Pearl. I like it. I like it. Ariel approves. I like it. So I hope you guys, especially if you're having a rough week at home, well, a few months, if you're having a rough time with the kids running around, you need something to take the pain away. There you go. Cheers.